What is a ladybird deed and why do Texans use it? Hello, Sandra Fuentez at Fuentez Law. If you can't make up, we'll help you break up. A ladybird deed is in essence an enhanced life estate deed. What that means is that the owner of a property is able to convey that property to their designated beneficiary or beneficiaries upon their passing, and it will happen automatically upon their death. But during their lifetime, they're still able to control what they do with that property. That means that they can sell that property, they can take loans against that property. It's still theirs to do whatever they want. And you can always revoke a ladybird deed or amend it to change beneficiaries as well. And so that's also helpful. It avoids the probate process upon your passing, which is a very important aspect to many people, that their loved ones do not have to go to probate in order to get the real property. It also helps to protect against any Medicaid claims that Medicaid may file against the property upon your passing. So your beneficiaries are protected against that.